Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a foundation chain. So to start off your foundation chain you want to make a slip knot. I do have a more detailed video on how to do a slip knot on my channel. So once you've got your slip knot, you want to insert your hook, pull the yarn to tighten. You want to have the working yarn in your left hand and your thumb and middle finger holding where the knot is. You want to get your crochet hook, put it towards you, wrap the yarn around your hook, and you see where the hook is, you want to turn that towards you and then pull through. And that is your first chain. So what you want to do is just keep repeating that. So again, yarn over, so wrap the yarn around your hook, pull the hook towards you, face it towards you, and pull through. And you'll see you'll start making some chains, and you'll just keep repeating that. So again, wrap the yarn around your hook, face the hook towards you, and pull through. And you'll keep repeating that until you've reached the desired length of your work. And that is how you make a foundation chain.